Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. So this week I have this Valentine's Day, or if you prefer Galentine's Day, makeup look. I love how soft and romantic this look is, and I really like how it's on the more natural side. But really quickly before we get started, I just wanted to say that if you like this video and want to see more from me, please subscribe to my channel. That'd be super amazing and I'd be really grateful. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So to create a really fresh and glowing base, I'm going to start off by applying Tsubaki's Glotion. Next, I'm just going to apply my usual foundation and concealer, and you should do the same too. So for this look, we'll be using the Too Faced Natural Eyes palette, which is my absolute favorite. I love how romantic and wearable all the shades are. We're going to start off by applying Strip Poker all over our lids. This is just going to create a really nice base for our shadows to sit on top of. Next, we're going to apply the shade Push Up in our outer thirds and crease. Then to add a bit of shine, we're going to take NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Yogurt and apply this all over our lids. And once we're done with that, we're going to take the shade Silk Teddy and pat that on top. I think this creates a really pretty look. It adds a bit of sparkle without being full-on glitter. Also, you should blend everything out with a clean fluffy brush to make sure that there's no harsh edges. Now we're just going to line our eyes with L'Oreal's Infallible Eyeliner in the shade Brown. So we're only going to line the outer portion of our eyes. We're going to create a line that's thicker towards the outside and tapers toward the inside. This is going to create a really open, doe-eyed look. We're then going to soften everything by smudging everything out with a flat brush. And then to soften and smoke out everything a little bit more, we're going to take the shade Erotica and pat it on top. To fill in my brows, I'm going to be using Benefit's Goof Proof Brow Pencil. I'm just going to fill in any sparse areas and clean up my arch. Then to add a bit more volume to my brows, I'm going to be using Benefit's Gimme Brow. To finish up with the eyes, we're going to curl our lashes and apply Physicians Formula's Organic Wear. I really enjoy this mascara. It adds fullness while still separating your lashes. For contour, highlight, and blush, I'll be using Soap & Glory's Mighty Contour Kit. I've been really into cream products recently. Anyway, I just picked this up recently from Ulta and I absolutely love it. The texture of this product is amazing, it's really easy to blend, and the colors are great. They're really natural looking and there's no shimmer or glitter. And yeah, it's only like $3 at Ulta right now, which is really nice. Now, I'll be taking CoverGirl's Clean Press Powder and focusing that on the areas where I tend to get a bit more oily. I'll also be applying some under my eyes to give myself a little bit more coverage and to help my concealer stay in place. For lip liner, I'll be using the Spite Beauty Lip Pencil, and I think the shade is 16, but I'm not 100% sure. I can't really read it anymore. Anyway, I'll be lining and filling in my lips to make sure my lipstick stays on all day. And the lipstick I'll be using is the Spite Beauty lipstick in the shade Pepper. This lipstick is a really nice mauvey pink color, and I think it's really pretty. And here's the finished look! I hope you guys liked the video, and I hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day weekend. And yeah, if you want to see more from me, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, and bye!